Welcome back to Work Life Escape. Today we'll be watching a day in the life of restaurant Meat and Bread. Make sure to leave a comment below and hit the subscribe button if you aren't a subscriber yet, as we have a lot of great videos coming soon. Now let's get started. Meat and Bread is a halal restaurant that is located on 201 Allen Street in New York City. Meat and Bread has amazing artwork inside and great indoor and outdoor seating. Today we will be following along 3 people at Meat and Bread. First is the co-owner and Chef Ozzy, Chef Santiago, and Chef Ali. It's almost time to get the store ready for opening, so Chef Ozzy is preparing the restaurant. Today is also inventory day at Meat and Bread, so there is a lot of items that need to be put in their place and a lot of prep work is required before the restaurant can open. Chef Ali is cutting and preparing the chicken that will be used for service today. Chef Ozzy and Chef Santiago are discussing future plans for items that they can add to the menu. Chef Santiago is mixing the filling for the chopped cheese empanadas that will be used for service today. Let's take a look at how he creates perfect empanadas. First item today will be masala fries. Chef Santiago will cook the chicken, prepare the fries, and then place the chicken on top of a bed of fries.
Yeah, so that's for the second order, that's 2 pounds of bread.
Chef Ozzy is preparing fries and a burger for a customer. Let's watch along. An order for wings came in. Let's take a look at the process for making wings and the special sauce. The wings look great, I can't wait to try them. Now let's watch how the hot honey fried chicken sandwich is made. We'll start from the beginning when Chef Ali is cutting the meat and then placing the chicken in the batter. Now that the chicken is ready, Chef Ozzy will shake off any excess batter and then straight into the fryer it goes. Once the fried chicken is ready, Chef Ozzy will remove the chicken and then cut the chicken into halves, with each sandwich getting 2 halves on it. Next, Chef Ozzy will place the chicken in a metal bowl with an amazing in-house made hot honey sauce. And here it is, the massive, amazing hot honey fried chicken sandwich. You can see how thick the chicken is and how amazing the hot honey sauce looks.
There's 3 counters, right?
With a lot of orders of ribeye and beef bacon rolling in, Chef Santiago is preparing the flat top grill to place all the meat and bacon. Look at all that amazing beef sizzling beautifully on the grill. Now Chef Santiago will season the meat. And add some beef bacon to the grill as well. Chef Santiago is adding burgers to the grill as well, as there are a lot of orders for burgers rolling in. Look at all those amazing burgers. We have burgers with beef bacon and onion rings as well as the hot honey fried chicken sandwich. Now Chef Santiago is going to bring the ribeye to the cutting board and slice it. Look how effortlessly the knife moves while he cuts it. Now the ribeye will make its way back onto the grill, and then Chef Santiago will place his sauce on it. And here we have the amazing ribeye sandwich. We have a great view of the burgers with beef bacon and onion rings. As the last of the orders are coming out, we can see Chef Ozzy preparing the fried chicken sandwiches and placing sauce on the bread. Chef Santiago is making my favorite sandwich, the hot honey fried chicken sandwich, and I can't get enough of it, so I ordered one for myself. Come on down to Meat and Bread and try out all these amazing sandwiches. Now that the restaurant is closing, it's time to clean up, and Chef Santiago is going to clean the grill. Let's take a look.
Hello everyone, we're here cleaning the grill, Meat and Bread, 201 Allen Street.
Chef Ali is cleaning up the dishes that were used in today's service. Thanks for watching a day in the life of restaurant Meat and Bread. Consider subscribing as we have a lot more great videos coming soon, and I'll see you next time.